Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm doing a different kind of video. Today I'm visiting a fair, a small fair in my country, in my area. So I thought let's take you there too, and I will show you how it will look like. So that's why I brought you here, and this is what you are looking like. I mean, this is what it looks like. There are so many types of fair in our country that happens, but because of pandemic they are all kind of in stop mode, so they are not have the permission to place such big fair. So that's why they placed this kind of small fair which I visited recently. So I'm making this video for you guys. Most of the shops are is about jewelers and cosmetics, and you should never buy cosmetics in fair because their qualities are so low by them. But still I bought two lipstick from there, so yeah. But I really don't recommend you to buy any kind of makeup products from there. By the way, there are so many beautiful jewelries you can see, and there are so many cosmetics you can see. By the way, they are not real products, they're all duplicate, or you can say replica. And here you can see some of bags. I bought one of this bag and it was quite nice. The texture of the bag is comfortable, so I bought it. Now I'm going to see another shop of this fair. This one is a sunglass shop. You can buy sunglass from here, by the way, but I didn't bought any kind of sunglass because I was not in mood to buy anything like sunglass. So here is another jewelry shop that you're seeing. Here you will find so many kind of earrings. We are seeing earrings right now. These are all beautiful earrings and jewelries. These are hairbands, clip, scratches and jewelries again. Here are some bangles that you can see. These are pens that they sell. This is for kid, not for adults. Here are some headbands. Some nail polishes. Is so tiny. These are not good quality makeup products, so it will be better if you don't buy it. I know you will never visit in my country, but still I'm saying it. Some scratches, mirror, comb. Now here is the part of shoe. You can see so many types of shoe. These were good shoes, but I didn't buy any. I bought only 2 lipsticks, some bangles, and a bag. This is what I bought. There are some shoes, you can see. Now here you can see some of kitchen items that you can buy in fair. By the way, I didn't tell you what is the meaning in Bangla of fair. In Bangla language, fair means mela. So right now we're visiting a small mela. Small means choto, fair means mela. So we are visiting a small mela. It means we're visiting a choto mela. These jewelries are meant to be boys. Some clothes. And again another shop with bunch of jewelry. When such kind of fair will happen again, I will show you. uh, I'll make video on it again to let you see that how it looks like. So I'll do shooting again when it will happen big fair. Some toys for kids. This is clothes zone. You can buy clothes. This is a long skirt. These are some kind of dresses. Now again we are in a jewelry cosmetic shop, and here you can also find bags. We are almost end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is an art channel, but I'm still posting this kind of videos, so I'm sorry for that, but I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.